Welcome. If you're ready to start receiving chat notifications from a friend on Snapchat again, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to unmute a friend's chat notifications with the latest Snapchat update. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of all your Snapchat friends. Find the friend whose chat notifications you want to unmute. Once you've located their name, press and hold down on it for a couple of seconds. A menu will pop up with several options. At the top right of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots, then select Chat and Notification Settings. This will open up a new set of options specifically for that friend. Now, tap on Notification Settings. Here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Mute Chats. If this switch is turned on, it means chat notifications from this friend are currently muted. To unmute them, simply toggle off Mute Chats. The switch should change color or position, indicating that notifications are now enabled. And that's it. You've successfully unmuted your friend's chat notifications. From now on, you'll be notified whenever they send you a message, so you'll never miss an update or snap from them again. If you ever want to mute or unmute notifications for other friends, just repeat these steps. Snapchat makes it easy to customize your notification preferences, so you can stay connected with the people who matter most to you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Snapchat experience. See you in the next one.